welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, I am so excited because I'm sharing with you another completed space in our house. I feel like we've been just inching along here and there for so long, and to have another space completed is really exciting for us. I'm gonna be sharing the playroom tour slash transformation slash makeover. I'm gonna be including some clips of basically the whole entire process of how the playroom came to be what it is today. I'm really looking forward to showing you kind of all the details, some throwback clips, which I'm sure many of you all forgot about. I know I did. I was thinking about this last night. First of all, I woke up so giddy and excited to film this. I'm like in a bright color. I've got red nails. I'm just in a playful mood, which is perfect for a playroom. But I was thinking over how far this room has really come and how many changes it has been through since the very beginning. So to see it complete is really exciting. And I'm just all around just proud of the space. RG and Briella love it. Rob loves it too, even though him and I are pretty much just like in there to clean most of the time because the kids destroy it, but it looks good today. I'm showing it off today. There's definitely items in there and areas of the room that you have not seen yet. So yeah, guys, without further ado, if you want to see the playroom transformation, playroom tour, playroom makeover, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so before we walk into the playroom, let's have a couple throwback clips to remind you of what the playroom used to look like.
Tonight we'll go a different way, you and me.
Okay, guys, so clearly the playroom has come a long way. If you are ready to see the final reveal, let's get a countdown going in 3, 2, 1. Obviously, when you first enter the playroom, we have our glass French doors. I think the best part about these doors is that obviously it makes the entrance into the playroom more grand, but it also brings natural light into the hallway in our home. This is just a basic overview of the playroom. We have a lot going on, but I also feel like it still feels very airy and breathable. So we'll start on this end. We have an accent chair here. I will link everything in the description box. You have seen this before if you've been following along for a while, but I just really love this space over here. This is 9 times out of the 10 where I'm sitting when the kids are playing because I'm able to see like everything that they're doing over here. We have a tree behind the chair. I feel like in every space, greenery really just brings it to life. Not only because it's actually alive, but just the color, the vibrancy, like I think it's just really nice. I feel like this is a really good quality one and I love the leaves on this. We just have it in a little basket down there. I knew I wanted this space to kind of be split in two. So you'll remember in the house tour video, I said that this was gonna be the loud and crazy playful side and this is gonna be more of like the quiet side. So basically what we plan on doing is kind of splitting this room into two and having this side of the room where you all are. You're in the play area of the playroom, and this side of the room where I am is going to be the chill. We're gonna read over here. We're gonna watch TV over here. It's just gonna be like calm, crazy, calm, crazy.
Crazy, sexy, cool.
But you know what's gonna happen as soon as they get in here? The whole thing's gonna be crazy. So we'll see. Obviously, I knew a playroom was not gonna be quiet, but I still wanted this side to be more chill vibes and this one more playful. So over here on this chill vibes side, we do have a TV. If I'm being completely honest, we don't really watch it that much. The kids do watch TV, but they more so watch TV downstairs. On either side of the TV, we have our pictures. These are like the, I don't know, the sisterhood of the travel traveling picture frames because these have been in so many different places. I played around with the idea of these in different places, but I finally settled on having them next to the TV and having sconces above the picture frames. So these sconces, actually the color was kind of on accident that it matches the frames. I originally thought they were just gonna be gold and I was gonna put them kind of in the middle next to the TV to keep it just like light and airy, but then I realized that they matched the frames perfectly and I was like, okay, I have to do some type of like art light detail here. So these are not actually wired sconces, they're just battery operated and they have puck lights. I've shown this on my channel before, but basically you use a remote control like this one, literally pulled that out of nowhere, and you just turn it on. Oh, hold on. Okay, there we go. Where's the other one? Okay, there we go. So you just turn on the lights like this, and I love the way that this looks. It just shines down on the pictures. It gives me very like art gallery vibes, and I love it. This makes me so happy. And then underneath our TV, we have our storage bins, I guess you could call them. I love these. Inside these, we keep more toys. I knew I wanted something like low to the ground and practical for the kids, but I also wanted to complete this wall because I feel like it looks unnatural to have a TV with nothing like underneath it or nothing below it to kind of like ground the wall to kind of complete the space. So in these bins, we just have like random toys. You'll notice that like I try to space out the toys. I don't want to have bins stuffed to capacity with toys because in my experience, my kids don't play with toys if it's in a crowded bin. Like if the bin is stuffed, they just dump it out and they can't find anything. They get overwhelmed. It's just easier to keep like things together. That was really loud. So in here we just have musical instruments, so they know if they want to play with instruments, like they come in here. This is more so the learning drawer. So I have like our homeschool curriculum, which I will link down below. I have our calendar, some different like dry erase workbook, flashcards, little things like that. This is really cool. It has like the stages of like caterpillar to butterfly. Oh wait, and it has like different bugs too. I didn't even realize. Okay, so it has the stages of a caterpillar of metamorphosis, and then it also has like other bugs. Okay, so anyway, I will link as much as I can. And then in this drawer right here, we just have kind of like bigger toys. Again, it's only like a couple things in each bin because they just get overwhelmed. So we have a couple things in here. This is actually, I don't know if this is a mom hack or what. This is just an iPad case, and my kids love to play pretend like they're on an iPad. So Archie will literally be like clicking around on this and be like, I want ABC Mouse, and like talk about the different letters. It's so cute. So these are actually two separate units. We have two drawers over here, two drawers over here, and I just put them together mainly to make up space because the TV is so large, but also to add storage. Okay, so I guess moving on, in front of the TV, we have our floor pillows here. I thought about getting a coffee table, but again, like it's just more realistic for a playroom to have floor pillows. Like we're just playing on the floor, we're getting creative. They're like just playing, having a good time. I wanted things to be just like soft and comfortable. This couch I get questions on all the time. I will link it down below. We really like this couch. I love it because it's low to the ground. It's very low. So if they jump off the couch like children do, they like to roughhouse and roll around. So this is a really good couch for that. It's really comfortable, really soft and squishy, and they love to take the pillows off. If you follow me on Instagram, you see this all the time. They love taking the pillows off and jumping on it. I just let them have fun in here. Like I know I'm gonna get comments, how do you have a white couch? How do you keep it clean? I've talked about this before. Dawn dish liquid and a white washcloth are my best friends. I just clean it. Like if there's anything on there, I just take my washcloth with some Dawn and wash it off and then just let it air dry. Or I use my Hoover washer, Hoover carpet washer. I've talked about that in a previous video for like tough stains, but little things I just use a washcloth and Dawn. Plus we don't eat up here. I don't let them eat up here. They don't have anything to really get it messy. Yeah, they just play toys and they jump around on here, so it doesn't really get dirty like that because we don't have food. So yeah, moving on over here, we have a lamp on a little side table with some puzzles. I've seen puzzle organizers and I actually looked into it, but honestly this works for us, just putting the puzzles on the shelves. We have different ones up here that are missing pieces because this is just real life, things happen. We've got a little busy board down there. So this is kind of a side note, a lot of my toys are Lovery toys. I have a link down below for Lovery Toys if you want to check them out, but basically it is a subscription service that comes every other month based on your child's development. They're Montessori based toys. They're awesome. I talk about them all the time, so I'm not gonna go on and on about it, but the majority of the toys, honestly 90% of the toys that the kids play with are by Lovery, so I will have them linked down below. Okay, and then moving on over here, we have the Swan Rocker. The kids love this. It's funny because as soon as one of my kids gets in, the other one wants to get in, so they're like tug of war over the swan, but they love it. And then over here we just have some wall art. All of these things are from Hobby Lobby except the shelves. I will have the shelves linked down below. I don't know, it kind of reminds me of like they're going on a roller coaster ride with the bar across their lap. So yeah, I just think it's a really nice way to display like those cute stuffed animals. It looks very playful and youthful, and I just love how we added these shelves. I'm obsessed with this wall. I think it's so cute. Then we have this activity cube. We got this when RG was, I think, 7 months old. They still play with it. Briella loves it, RG loves it. And let me flip it around. On this side, we had to remove the balls that go in here, but there's 3 balls and a hammer. I'm just gonna let you assume why we had to remove that. RG was getting crazy and things were getting dangerous, so I was like, no, we gotta remove that. And then over here, I just have a basket. We don't have anything in it right now, but I plan on like getting some blankets, and if we want to like cuddle up and like watch something eventually, we can have blankets and cuddle up and be nice and cozy. So that's this side of the room. I absolutely love it. This is like, that's like my favorite side, this side over here, just because it's way more chill. But the kids absolutely love this side of the room. So if you come over here, it's way more play centered. We have our play kitchen over here. Again, I will link this. We have a bunch of like soft play food from IKEA. I got these IKEA chef hats and aprons. So the fridge and the kitchen came separate. You can see some fingerprints. Again, this is just real life. I tried to clean up for you guys, but I also wanted to just keep it real that like, hey, things are messy. Don't know how it got sticky because we don't eat up here, like I said, but I mean, it's kids. Where there's a will, there's a way. I feel like one of the main parts about this side of the room is the wall art. So Rob and I actually hand painted this. I will have the paint color listed down below. I don't remember off the top of my head, but we just did a half sun picture. We literally saw this on Pinterest and I was like, oh my gosh, I really want to recreate this because I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but the walls are huge. They're so tall. I don't know the exact footage, but it's huge feet long. So we had to fill it up somehow. I didn't want it to be too cluttered, and I just thought that this would be like the perfect kind of like color blocking moment without too much color, because y'all know how I like my tones. But anyway, we have a play mat down here for them to like pull out the toys and play on and just like sit and play pretend. Really cute. While they're playing right there, when Rob and I are playing with them, these cushions really come in handy. These are from Home Goods. All of the pillows that are on the couch are also from Home Goods. I found these on a whim. I was not even looking for it. I feel like that's how Home Goods always is. When you least expect it, you find the cutest things. So yeah, really like these. They come in handy. We like lean up against the couch, play with the kids over here. That's like our go-to. And then over here, these storage cubes are so handy. So up at the top, we obviously have books. I tried to color coordinate them, but some might be out of order because I mean, it's hard to keep up with. We pull books out. I tell RG to put them back, and yeah, sometimes he doesn't put them in the correct spot, but you get the idea. We've got the reds, the yellows, the greens, and the blues. And then in these bins, like I said, I try not to keep them too cluttered. So they just have a couple toys. I try to split them up with like a couple toys for RG and a couple toys for Briella. They really don't have that many toys. Again, a lot of these puzzles are from Lovery, which I will link down below. Most of RG's toys are trucks because he's obsessed with trucks. He's also obsessed with this Rubik's Cube. He can't do it. He just likes playing with it like that and like fidgeting with it. So we gave him that. And then we have a couple toys in here, just like random stuff. I try not to like overstimulate them because they can get overwhelmed. Yeah, we just try to keep it really simple, encourage creative play more so than like light up toys and things that like make noise and like are just too overstimulating. stimulating. So then up here we have a globe, more Lovery toys again. And over in this corner, so this is actually new. You'll notice that we have a pin board now. I showed you this in the last home update video, but we just added pictures. We've got pictures of Riella, we've got pictures of RG, baby pictures of the both of them. That's actually me as a baby. That's baby Kara right there. And then, yeah, just more of like the babies, us as a family. When RG met Riella for the first time, I really wanted pictures with the two of them together because this is their playroom. And then we've got a picture of Rob when he was little, little Rob up there with his trophies. I can't even, like, how sweet is that? I feel like he looks just like RG right there. But yeah, and then I just added these Lovery felt stars. It came in one of our play kits and I was like, oh, that would be cute to hang up on the pin board. So yeah, they like seeing themselves and it just adds that personal touch. So then we have a floor lamp and then an activity table. I really like this activity table because inside you can literally open it up and have different activities inside. So you could do a sensory bin on one side, maybe some coloring on the other. When we do our homeschool, I usually put like our homeschooling activity in here, and that way I have all of the supplies ready to go. We sit over here, we do our homeschooling, and yeah, it's really cute. And then over here we just have a little chair for the babies to sit in. This is mainly Briella's chair. She loves climbing up in here and like sitting, and like she'll just have the biggest smile on her face. It's so sweet. So the light fixture up here, I'll have it linked down below, but I thought it was really fun. I feel like it fits the theme, just very like playful and relaxed, but also tonal, a hint of bohemian, but just like comfortable, casual, and cozy. And I feel like we really achieved that in this space. I'm really proud of it. I love it so, so much. A lot of time and a lot of hard work went into this space. Oh my God, I didn't even talk about the shades. You guys, I'm so used to them by now. The shades are something that's like brand new that you probably haven't even seen. Let me back up. Rob installed these a couple nights ago. Yeah, so we're able to pull the shades down if it gets a little bit hot or raise them up over there like so. And I think it's really, really nice and I love them. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you like the playroom, if this gave you some inspiration for a playroom at your house. Let me know in the comments. You guys, I cannot believe another space is completed. It's amazing. I'm just so happy with how everything turned out. Woo, it's like honestly a relief having things get completed, because if you've been following for a while, you know I changed my mind left and right. So to have a room that's like done feels like a weight has been lifted off my chest. So with all that being said, I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And me and the playroom, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye guys.